Dzięki Bogu jesteśmy szczęśliwi, ponieważ możemy teraz wrócić do celu. Dzięki Bogu, że ta wojna się skończyła. Jesteśmy z Krakowiaków bardzo szczęśliwi. To było życzenie naszego życia. To jest koniec epoki rozpoczętego Asada, po trwającej ponad 13 lat w wojnie domowej. Asad był prezydentem Syrii od 2000 roku.
Jak on jedzie? Czy on coś widzi?
Chyba nie biorę nagrania.
Rozpocznij.
Record video.
Start recording emergency video.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray.
O, nie ma to jak zablokować skrzyżowanie. O, już czerwone i żaden nie przejechał.
Sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you stop it out when they bring that horse in. I bleed it out, take it deeper just to throw it away. I bleed it out, take it deeper just to throw it away.
W kolejnych odcinkach Klubu Ekonomicznego sprawdzimy, która z wielu opcji finansowania jest najtańsza, która najdroższa, która bardziej pewna, która od profilu firmy czy sytuacji danego przedsiębiorstwa.
Na tym minie niektórzy tacy, wiesz co? Ale ta pani okropnie tak chwaliła. Ale jeszcze nas spotkała teraz w sklepie i dla maleństwa. Ta pani, która otworzyła drzwi, że wszystkiego najlepszego na święta ci życzy. Że kochane dziecko i dobrze wychowane bądź.
Rozpocznij nagrywanie wideo awaryjnego.
Widziałeś gnoja? Czy znoja?
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams into modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving.
Szkoda, bo to mógł być naprawdę ciekawy temat. Następny wniosek ze zbliżającej się meczu konferencji. W czwartek 19 kwietnia Legia zagra ze szwedzkim Djurgården, a Jagiellonia
miłość i zaufanie do Ciebie.
What's that? I don't know.